Friends, open PicsArt tab. Now tap on this plus icon. Tap on edit a photo and select the model image. Friends, this is the model image today I am going to use for the special Independence Day photo editing. First step, go to add photo and select the flag PNG. First PNG. Now go to blend and you have to make it darken and arrange perfectly like this. Okay, arrange perfectly like this. Now tap on eraser, tap on invert, tap on restore, make it 100, decrease the size, and you have to draw on the shirt like this. Friends, the first step is complete. Now tap on take. Now I have to go to add photo and select the background. This is the background. Now simply stretch out like this, bring it down. Now tap on eraser, tap on invert, now tap on restore, and you have to start drawing on the background. Okay, it will take so much of time. I am going to do in fast forward mode. Friends, finally we draw on the full background. Now simply tap on this restore, keep the settings like I am doing. Okay, now draw on the bottom portions like this. It's perfect. Okay, now tap on tick mark. Next step, we have to go to draw, tap on draw, zoom out, tap on brush, tap on settings and keep it 100, 128, keep opacity to 47 and this one around 35. Tap on colors, tap on orange. Now draw on the top portion. Now tap on color, select the green color and draw on the bottom portion. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, we have to add the pages one by one. Go to add photo. These are the 4 pages. First of all, I am going to arrange these birds page on the top and this one Happy Independence Day logo on the left side here, and I am going to arrange this flag arrange in this portion. Tap on eraser, tap on erase. You have to erase like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Now select this light PNG, go to blend, tap on screen and arrange in this portion here. Now tap on tick. Next step, you have to go to add photo and select photo. Okay, this is the image. Now decrease the opacity and arrange it in this portion here. Perfect. Tap on eraser, tap on erase. Now have to erase like this. It is perfect. Tap on tick, increase a little opacity. Okay, perfect. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special tutorial is completed. This is the before background, this is the final output. Okay, this is the before and this is the final. Now tap on save. If you want, you can still use some final touch up. Go to tools, go to adjust, decrease little brightness, give little contrast, clarity little bit, saturation little bit, highlights little bit, decrease the shadow and give little temperature. If you want, you can give the final touch up in Snapseed and Lightroom app also. This is the final output and I am going to add the hair PNG. Go to add photo. This is the hair PNG. Simply arrange to your model like you want. Now tap on erase, tap on eraser, we can arrange it perfectly. Perfect. No tap on tick. Tap on save. This is a before and final output. Friends, see you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.